If you're looking for extra advantage in crypto trading, you can benefit from our 5% off offer on Binance. All you have to do is sign up via the link in the video description. Dogecoin has been quite the revelation in 2021, after having grown about 1,300% from less than a cent to about 8 cents, which represented its all-time high till date. Currently, it's going through an enduring downtrend below its all-time high at 5.6 cents per Dogecoin. It sometimes looked like it would surge out in a major breakout to surpass its all-time high, which now represents a strong resistance against its price trajectory. It's grown considerably in terms of market cap as well as its group of investors. One other revelation that's grown in leaps and bounds even more than Dogecoin is Cardano. This will be the focus of this video. Welcome back to Crypto Lion. Make sure you give this video a like, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified whenever new videos drop. According to Investopedia, Cardano is an Ouroboros proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that was created with a research-based approach by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography experts. The project was co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the 5 initial founding members of Ethereum. After having some disagreements with the direction Ethereum was taking, he left and later helped create Cardano. The team behind Cardano created its blockchain through extensive experimentation and peer-reviewed research. The researchers behind this project have written over 90 papers on blockchain technology across a range of topics. This research is the backbone of Cardano. Due to this rigorous process, Cardano seems to stand out among its proof-of-stake peers as well as other large cryptocurrencies. Cardano has also been dubbed the Ethereum killer, as its blockchain is said to be capable of more than the Ethereum network. That said, Cardano is still in its early stages. While it's beaten Ethereum to the proof-of-stake consensus model, it still has a long way to go in terms of decentralized financial applications. Cardano aims to be the financial operating system of the world by establishing decentralized financial products similarly to Ethereum, as well as providing solutions for chain interoperability, voter fraud, and legal contract tracing, among other things. As of January 2021, Cardano has a market cap of $9.8 billion and one ADA traded for 31 cents. According to InvestorIdeas.com, Cardano's recent full decentralization will fuel its appeal and price, better positioning it to take on rivals Bitcoin and Ethereum in the booming cryptocurrency market. The bold prediction from De Beer Group CEO and founder Nigel Green came when Cardano became a fully fledged community-run network. Its price has exploded in the months that preceded this one, and it's recorded a growth of about 600% since January. It is currently lying above $1, which is over a 70-cent increase from its initial coming price into the year. It became the 3rd largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization after Bitcoin and Ethereum. The parent company has handed control of the crypto's blockchain over to the community. It has drawn a great number of investors, as its price will now be drawn up on an upward trend. It is well positioned to challenge rivals in the crypto industry. Like Ethereum, which it poses a major challenge to, as its application is not limited as a currency, but the technology behind it is useful in developing other decentralized apps, protocols, and smart contracts. It overcame the problem of scalability that was an issue with Ethereum. If there's ever a crypto being touted as a worthy opponent to the reign of Bitcoin, Cardano is it. This is becoming increasingly apparent as those seeking to invest in cryptocurrencies are looking at Cardano. Diversification is lauded as a quality trait of a strong portfolio, and Cardano should top the list. In this year, Cardano was added to De Beer Crypto, the cryptocurrency exchange app, to join other major digital currencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, and Dogecoin. This has expanded the reaches of Cardano and to allow users to have a fair chance at profiting from digital currencies. It will further establish Cardano as the star of the crypto market. What would be highly anticipated is the show of support for Cardano, as they've been doing with other cryptocurrencies. Cardano's roadmap to fulfillment is shaping up as shared by the Cardano founder. The coin's blockchain is undergoing upgrades that are due to be unveiled this month as well as later this year. There's an enormous amount of activity going on in Cardano. It's gradually becoming a home for issuing native assets, smart contracts, peer-to-peer transactions, and so on. According to You Today, the enormous amount of activity mentioned by Hoskinson includes large amounts of NFTs, as well as other assets on the Cardano chain. After checking on the CardanoAssets.com site, Hoskinson said that there are 18,460 assets on this blockchain that have been created. The network is growing fast, and it's amazing to see this, he added. According to the roadmap and Charles Hoskinson, at the end of April, the HFC event hard fork Alonzo will be announced on the Cardano 360 episode, if Cardano is able to maintain the plans laid out in the roadmap. Even if some of that happens a little later, it's still imminent. Aside from that, Hoskinson said that the Pluto's Pioneer program is underway. It's a program to recruit and train developers for Cardano and Plutus, the environment for Cardano-based smart contracts, which will get full support when Alonzo is launched. During his recent YouTube livestream, IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson mentioned that ADA could be worth $10, but made it clear that he's against speculating on the token's performance. Whether ADA is a cent or it's $1 or $10, work will keep improving on the blockchain, thereby inspiring surges out of Cardano. ADA was worth only 1.8 cents in March of 2020, before soaring about 8,000% to reach its current all-time high of $1.48 on February 27th. The growth doesn't fall to any one individual, it's a matter for the collective. The parent company has taken its hands off the crypto. However, it's still working on the improvement of the project's technical capabilities. In this chart, the analyst shows the outlook of ADA in a long-term uptrend. From the 12th of March 2020 to the 27th of July 2020, ADA did a 911% rise from 1.7 cents to 17 cents. From the 24th of September 2020 to the 27th of February 2021, ADA did a 1,940% rise from 7.5 cents to $1.54. Obviously, this is ignoring consolidation periods and dips in those moves, so the analysis only documents the full bottom and tops. If we say that this daily candle is roughly the lowest ADA will go, if ADA does roughly another 1,000% move up, that would take ADA to $12.60. ADA is still above its 50 EMA on the daily chart. It's not going to move downwards unless it crosses below and closes a daily candle below its 50 EMA, and also fails to make it back above said 50 EMA. He thinks it's safe to assume that ADA is not going to drop under and close a daily candle below its 50 EMA anytime soon. Looking at the history of ADA on this daily chart, you can clearly see what's happened when ADA has dropped and stayed under its 50 EMA, and what's happened when ADA has been above and stayed above its 50 EMA. It's a pretty interesting setup. ADA has been consolidating above its 50 EMA in a Bollinger Band squeeze for over a month and a half now, from the 27th of February to tonight, which is the 6th of April at time of recording. Even if ADA continues to consolidate for a few more days, weeks, or even months, the wait could certainly be worth it. Now over to Coinbase, according to NerdWallet, on April 1st of 2021, the US cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced that it anticipates its stock will begin trading on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange on April 14th, under the ticker $coin. The company will go public via a direct listing, which is a strategy Slack and Spotify also used to sell shares directly to the public without an intermediary. After Coinbase has gone public, you'll be able to buy and sell its shares on the stock market like any other public company. What's unique about this stock is that your investment's potential success is tied to the popularity and trading volume of cryptocurrencies, but you won't have to convert your US dollars into cryptocurrency. When it comes to actually investing in Coinbase, the same rules apply for buying equity in any company. There's inherent risk, and you should invest only an amount you can afford to lose. Moreover, don't invest any cash you might need in the near future, say for at least the next 5 years. Building in this buffer will give you time to potentially recover from any near-term drops in the stock price. If you've yet to start a long-term, index fund-based investment plan, most financial advisors would suggest funding such an investment before diving into the stock of a company that's recently gone public, or any individual stock for that matter. This is another major step to greatness, though, for the crypto industry, as one of its own gets accredited for full operation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Would you like to see more interesting videos on Cardano? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. And while you're here, check out some of our previous videos. Good luck and happy investing.